Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the fan revision process on your Asus F509DA, make sure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat, static-free surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid stripping the screws. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious while doing this, as the clips can be fragile. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws that may still be attached. After successfully removing the back panel, locate the fan assembly. It will be situated near the center of the motherboard. Before you proceed, consider if you feel comfortable handling this delicate part. If you don't have the tools or experience, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, disconnect the fan's power cable from the motherboard. This is done by gently pulling the connector straight out, taking care not to tug on the wires. Now, remove the screws securing the fan in place. Typically, there are 2 to 3 screws holding the fan down. With the fan detached, you can now clean it thoroughly. Use the can of compressed air to blow away any dust and debris. Make sure to hold the fan still while cleaning to prevent any damage. It's crucial to ensure that the fan is clear of obstructions to maintain optimal airflow. If you notice excessive dust buildup inside the laptop, consider cleaning other components as well. If you're unsure about this process or don't want to risk damaging your device, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. No calls, no travel, just a straightforward service to help you keep your laptop in top condition. Once the fan is clean, reinstall it by following the previous steps in reverse order. Secure the fan with screws and reconnect the power cable to the motherboard. Finally, replace the back panel and tighten all screws securely. After the assembly is complete, power on your laptop to ensure the fan is functioning correctly. Listen for any unusual noises that could indicate a problem. If everything sounds good, your Asus F509DA is ready to go. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs up front. This completes our step-by-step guide for revising the fan in your Asus F509DA. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your laptop and enhance its performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.